You'll never guess what's gonna happen today. One continuous long shaving. Oh, bro. Well, anyway, got the outsides of these roughed out. I'm gonna take a break and come back and do the insides. The reason why I'm not showing all of the work that I'm doing in fast motion like I normally do is that one of my rechargeable batteries for the camera crapped out, so I only have a very limited amount of charge, so I'm conserving the battery. Bonus news, I hear a chainsaw. I accidentally made this tenon too big, so I gotta remount it with the spur center, turn it down a little bit. More of the same as yesterday. These are going on the drying wall with the rest. Some cool spalting in this one. Although this one's a write-off because there's a void in here. I'm actually kind of surprised it didn't fly apart on me on the lathe here because there's a large crack. I'm sure it's getting kind of boring, but I got more blanks to turn tomorrow. I hope you join me in Camy's garage.